Hi, I'm Carl from pedalcar.com, and in addition to being a fan of pedal cars, I'm a lifelong fan of anything aviation. And if you are also, you will recognize this model as the famous Supermarine Spitfire that is largely credited with saving the Battle of Britain in the air during World War II. It was known for its speed, maneuverability, its efficiency, and was made in significant numbers starting in 1936 through 1947, about 22,000 models. Today, if you wanted your own Spitfire, if you could find one, you would be talking about probably well in excess of $1 million. There are very few of them remaining. Our model here is kind of unique in that, unlike model airplanes that are solid wood carvings or injection molded plastic, this one is actually made from thin sheets of aluminum over a lightweight frame, somewhat similar to the way the original airplane was made. The attention to detail in the model is phenomenal. Things like the highly detailed cockpit area with the sliding level canopy, the etched markings on the skins, the propeller, the movable flight surfaces, and it comes with an aluminum display stand. Plus, if you'd like to display it on its wheels, the retractable wheels will swim it down and lock into place like the original. And it can be displayed like that. If you'd like to see about getting your own model on order, please contact us through pedalcar.com. Thanks very much.